going to be filming my first fall makeup tutorial of the year. So I'm actually still going to be using the Naked Heat palette. I know that this is kind of something I say reminds me more of summer, but it has a lot of good fall colors, so I'm going to go ahead and be using that. This is going to be a full face tutorial, so let's go ahead and get started. I still have a little bit of soft tan, but I'm going to go back to my lighter foundation for this. So let's go ahead and start. I also recommend using a primer. This is normally the one I use, the Benefit Professional, but I'm almost out of it, so I'm not going to use it for this video since I'm not actually wearing this anywhere. But I do recommend a primer if you have it. If not, that's fine. So I'm going to go ahead and put this on the Beauty Blender, and then I'm just going to use the mirror from this palette to put it on my face. And don't worry if this is a little bit light, I'm going to use some bronzer to darken it up in a minute. So I'm just blending this all in. That moment when you're so pale that your lighter foundation still looks better than the dark one. Wow. I really need to get some darker bronzer, because apparently I'm so pale that my super light foundation still looks better. Alright, so after that, I think I've got that all pretty well blended. I'm going to go in with my NYX HD Concealer, and I'm just going to put that under my eyes and on any spots. And then I'm just going to use the Beauty Blender to blend that in. Like I said in other videos, I'm sorry about my hair. I really don't know what to do with some of it. It's just not sitting how I want it to sit, but we're just going to ignore it and keep going. So once I've got that all blended and blended in a couple areas that I keep noticing are not blended well, I'm going to go ahead and start on the eyes. So I'm going to take a M19 shader brush, and I think that I'm going to start with the color Low Blow, and I'm going to put that on the lids. Well, that is darker than I thought it was, but it's still going to work, it's fine. So that's just going to go on the lids. I'm kind of going to use my finger to blend that a little bit. Next up, I'm going to take a blending brush, and I'm going to take the color Ember and blend out. Still using my fingers just to kind of shape it a little bit more. So once you've done that, I'm going to go ahead and take a smudger brush, and I'm going to take Ember again and go under the eyes with that. I'm only going halfway under. I know you guys can see what I'm doing, but I'm just letting you know. So once you've done that, I'm going to just take a slanted Luxie brush and take some of Ounce to highlight. So you're just going to use that on your brow bone and your inner corners. Next up, I'm going to go ahead and put on my pressed powder. So I'm using the IT by Pores pressed powder, and I'm just going to put that all over my face. Next up, I'm going to take the Rimmel Natural Bronzer in Sunlight, and I'm going to take a Real Techniques brush, and I'm just going to put that on my face. I don't think that I need it in too many other places. I'm just kind of going to run it down my neck just a little bit to blend into the other colors. I think that's pretty good. After that, I'm going to go ahead and do my brows with the Benefit Give Me Good Brow. Trying not to get it in my hair if I can. So after that, I'm going to do my mascara. And for mascara, I'm just going to use the Marcella Extension Plus Curl. And I'm going to use that on my tops and my bottom lashes. Oh, next up, I also forgot that I forgot to do highlighter, so I'm going to be using the Benefit High Beam Highlighter. And I think for this look, I'm only going to put it on my cheeks. I don't think I'm going to do anything else other than my Cupid's bow. And I'm just going to use my finger to blend that. So at this point I want to do lips. For lips, I think I'm just going to use a gloss. This is just a clear gloss. It's called My New Favorite Lip Gloss by Floss. So I'm just going to put that on my lips. I've just been preferring more nudie lips and stuff lately, so that's why I'm doing that. But yeah, this is the finished look. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe and let me know what you guys think. And I will see you guys later. Bye guys!